Tired of choppy frame rates and low-quality visuals in your favorite games? It might be time for a GPU upgrade. Upgrading your graphics card can significantly enhance your computer's performance, especially for gaming or creative tasks. Struggling with newer games even on low settings or poor performance in video editing? These are signs you need an upgrade. Check if your CPU or RAM is bottlenecking performance and ensure your power supply can handle a more powerful GPU. Planning to play upcoming AAA titles or adopt higher resolutions like 4K? Upgrading now can save frustration later. For gaming, look for GPUs like NVIDIA's GeForce RTX series or AMD's Radeon RX series. For creative work, consider GPUs with high VRAM. Match your GPU to your monitor's resolution and refresh rate for the best experience. Verify physical space in your case and ensure your PSU has enough wattage and necessary power connectors. After installing your new GPU, download the latest drivers and restart your system to maximize performance. Optimize in-game settings, monitor temperatures, and consider overclocking for extra performance. Keep your drivers updated for the best experience.